So, you've got the EV. The bags are essentially packed, and you're already picturing that first real road trip. The instant, silent acceleration. The satisfaction of driving past gas stations without a second thought. It feels like the future, and it feels good. But then the doubt creeps in. What happens if I run out of charge in the middle of nowhere? What if I pull into a charging station and it's down? Am I going to spend half my vacation just sitting around waiting? That concern, range anxiety, is real. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to define your experience. The difference between a stressful white-knuckle drive and a smooth, confidence-building EV road trip comes down to one thing: preparation. Today, we're turning range anxiety into road trip confidence. From planning at your kitchen table to making smart decisions on the highway, this is your complete EV road trip playbook. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, repeatable strategy to make your first long drive simple, predictable, and surprisingly enjoyable. Before we get into it, welcome back to the Plug-in Report, the channel where we break down electric vehicles, charging, and EV ownership without the hype or the confusion. If you're new here and want practical, real-world EV advice, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides like this. A great EV road trip isn't built on the highway. It's built before you ever lock the front door. A small amount of planning eliminates nearly all of the stress, and it starts with the right tools. Tip number 1: master your route. With the right apps, trying to wing it with charging stops is one of the fastest ways to ruin an EV road trip. You wouldn't head into the backcountry without a map, and the same rule applies here. Your car's built-in navigation is a decent starting point, but to travel like a pro, you need 2 free apps in your toolkit: a Better Route Planner, or ABRP, and PlugShare. ABRP is your logistics engine. You enter your exact EV model, your starting charge, and your destination, and it calculates the most efficient route possible. It tells you where to stop, which chargers to use, and how long each charging session should be. What makes ABRP powerful is that it factors in elevation changes, speed, temperature, and real-world efficiency, not just optimistic estimates. PlugShare, on the other hand, is your reality check. It's a crowdsourced map of public chargers with user reviews, recent check-ins, and real-time status updates. Before committing to a charging stop, you can see if other drivers are reporting outages, congestion, or slow speeds. This is the golden rule. Plan with ABRP, verify with PlugShare. Together, they eliminate guesswork and dramatically reduce the chance of surprises. Once you're on the road, your job is execution. How you drive and how you charge will dictate the entire pace of your trip. Tip number 2: follow the always be charging mindset. Strategically, this tip has 2 parts. First, start every road trip day with a full battery. If you're at home or staying at a hotel, charge to 100% overnight. That first leg of the drive is your longest and most flexible, and starting full gives you the biggest buffer. When booking hotels, always filter for locations with level 2 charging. Waking up to a fully charged EV is one of the most underrated travel upgrades you can make. Second, forget everything gas stations taught you. With DC fast charging, you're not trying to fill the battery completely. Most EVs charge extremely fast, up to about 70 or 80%, then slow down dramatically. That last 20% can take nearly as long as the first 60%, and it's rarely worth waiting for. The smarter strategy is shorter, more frequent stops. Arrive with roughly 10 to 20% remaining, charge up to 70 or 80%, and move on. 2 efficient 20-minute stops almost always feel faster than 1 long, inefficient session. Tip number 3: drive for efficiency, not the fast lane. Speed is the single biggest variable affecting EV range. Wind resistance increases exponentially, not linearly. Jumping from 65 to 75 miles per hour can reduce your range by 15 to 20% or more. If you're ever concerned about reaching the next charger, the most effective solution isn't turning off the climate control, it's slowing down. Use your car's efficiency tools as well. Enable Eco Mode to soften throttle response. Take advantage of one-pedal driving and regenerative braking, especially in traffic or on descents. Every time you slow down using regen, you're recovering energy instead of wasting it. Smooth, steady driving always wins. Your range display is an estimate, not a guarantee, and real-world conditions matter. Cold weather is the biggest variable. Batteries are less efficient when cold, and cabin heating adds additional load. In winter conditions, range loss can vary from 10% to over 30%. The best defense is preconditioning. Warm the cabin and battery while the car is still plugged in, so you're using grid power, not battery energy, to prepare for the drive. Weight and aerodynamics also play a major role. Heavy loads increase energy use, but aerodynamic drag matters even more at highway speeds. Roof boxes and cargo pods can reduce range by up to 30%. Whenever possible, keep cargo inside the vehicle or use more aerodynamic rear-mounted solutions. This is where experienced EV drivers separate themselves from first-timers. Tip number 4. Follow public charging etiquette. Charging stalls are for charging, not parking. Once you've added enough range, move your vehicle. Many networks now charge idle fees, so overstaying can cost you money as well as goodwill. Avoid charging to 100% at busy fast charging stations. That final stretch is slow and creates unnecessary wait times for others. The informal standard is to charge to around 80% and move on. Always return cables neatly and never unplug another vehicle unless explicit permission has been given. Tip number 5. Always have a plan B and a plan C. Even with perfect planning, things can go wrong. Chargers can be full, offline, or unexpectedly slow. When planning stops, always identify at least one backup charger nearby. PlugShare makes this easy by showing alternative networks within a few miles. And always carry your level 1 charging cable. It's slow, but it's an emergency safety net. An overnight plug-in at a standard outlet can provide enough range to reach a fast charger the next morning. Charging doesn't have to feel like wasted time. In fact, it can make road trips better. Most fast charging stops last 20 to 40 minutes, just enough time for a meal, a coffee, or a short walk. Plan charging around those breaks and suddenly you're not waiting at all. Your car is refueling while you recharge. This shift in mindset is key. EV road trips encourage better pacing, fewer fatigue-inducing marathon drives, and more intentional stops. That's your complete EV road trip playbook. Plan with the right apps, charge strategically, drive efficiently. Always have a backup plan. Range anxiety isn't a flaw of electric cars. It's a knowledge gap. And once that gap is closed, EV road trips aren't just possible, they're better. If you have questions about taking your EV on a long drive, drop them in the comments. I read them all and do my best to respond. And if this guide helped you, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the Plug-in Report for more real-world EV ownership content. Enjoy the drive and enjoy the journey.